return with a video of the Jabra Elite Active 65T I have here. My problem is that the left earbud is not available. I cannot use it, it's useless. So whenever I put the earbud inside, it doesn't blink. When I take it, it doesn't become active like the right one does. You see here it's blinking and it's active now. It's searching for devices. So I contacted the Jabra support team, and they recommended a case reset, and I wanted to share with you how it is done. So you must have the two earbuds inside the case, and after that plug in the charger, a 5-volt 1 ampere charger, into the case. Leave the lid open, and let's see. Once you see the light blinking here, leave it for 3 to 5 seconds. Leave it to blink, and after that close the lid, and now leave it like this for 2 hours, and the case will reset. In approximately 2 hours it will charge fully, and after that check the earbuds if they're working or not. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.